Hey girl, what's up? It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a review on the brand new E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer. These are an extension of the mattifying, well, they're like a hydrating version of the mattifying concealer that they came out with. Then I saw these and I was like, you know what, let me try it out. I don't know because I have oily skin, but when I want fresh, dewy days where I just look natural, I like hydrating stuff. I picked up 3 because I wanted to try and see if I can do some highlighting and contouring with it as well. Medium neutral. I've actually already used this a couple times. I really like it. Then I went back and picked up medium sand and deep olive because I wanted this as a contouring shade. I didn't want something super dark. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family because I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, let's get into this. But I'm gonna prime my face with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way because it's a medium to full coverage. I'm going to be taking the medium sand because although I do really like this is very yellowy, and honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I got this. It might be a little light though, that's what I'm concerned about. They don't have testers in store for this, so I kind of just have to guesstimate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my acne scarring. Oh, that's not bad. It's lighter, but it's not completely bad. I just want to see how the coverage is, and then we'll fix it up. This would definitely be great under my eyes, so I'm gonna do that. And I notice I still haven't dipped back into the tube. I love the way this feels. It feels so nice. It's like a cooling effect on your face, and I know a lot of concealers like that, but I feel like this is different. Like it's like a cooling, but not, to me, it doesn't feel like I'm applying, what's the word? Like straight up just thick cream on my face. It feels really nice. So I'm gonna go in with my E.L.F makeup sponge. This is the face sponge, I wanna say, and just go ahead and dab out these areas right here and see if they do cover up my acne scarring. It's a little too bright, so I may have to go in with a little bit more foundation or just really try to bring it back with a contour or some bronzer. Oh, with this for a brightening concealer, oh, I missed a spot. I'm just like lightly dabbing it though, and it's like blending so easily. It didn't even take me that long. See, like I do 3 dabs and I'm so used to like keeping on like dabbing and it's already blended. Okay, let's do the under eyes. I got something in my eye. Oh, I think I put like a fuzz in there or something. Okay, I should have done a comparison, but this is like super bright. I actually really like this a lot better than my other one. Ooh. Dude, this makes my face look really good. Like there's hydrating, but it's not like a greasy, dewy mess. I really like the way this looks. That looks beautiful on the skin. I need to get one that's like my exact shade, so I don't have to like, if I just want to do a foundationless day, I can totally do that. I want to say I need something like maybe a shade darker than this one, but I want to say the shade that's a little bit darker is this one, and this one's like a yellow tone, and I'm not that. I'm more of an olive undertone. So I feel like this deep olive is gonna work really well for contouring, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I'm debating on putting this straight to my face or doing it the way I've been doing it recently, which is like I'll apply it on the back of my hand to warm it up and then use a brush, but I feel like honestly that makes no sense. The weave is coming. That's a lot. Oh, shit. Wait, hold on. I applied too much. Wait, I think I got, oh yeah, I got some in my wig. Okay, we're just gonna try and blend this as best as we can. I totally screwed up, but the shade is not what I would like in a contour shade, but this undertone for my skin though, because I have olive undertones, this is really nice. I think that looks a lot better. So I'm just gonna set my face. But I do want to note that because of the olive undertones, yes, it isn't like the ideal contour, like Instagram contour shade, but honestly, when I blended it out, it looks really nice. Like it makes my face look very, how do you say it, like just bright? Does that make sense? Like highlighted in the right areas. But this looks like it's my skin tone, I guess you would say. It looks really good. I really like this. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm going to just bake under my eyes real quick. Next, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. You know how I do. If you haven't seen my foundation routine, I'll leave it right here so you can see it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. This looks so smooth. I'm actually really glad I got this color because yes, I was able to try it out with that other yellowy shade, but I wasn't able to do this, and this is like, this is nice. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of blush, a little bit of eyeshadow, then I'll come right back and we'll take you out about my day. Okay, I'm not a fan of this gloss, but I'm going to probably change it a little bit. The next time you see me, I'll probably be looking a little different because I need to review something. So I wanted to film that today. I probably will be able to do it because it's still early in the day. It is currently 2:50 in the afternoon. We're about to head to Sephora and Ulta so I can stock up on stuff to have to do for the next 2 weeks. Yeah. It is currently 5 p.m. and I'm just doing a check-in on my face. It looks really good. I like it. I don't have any like oiliness picking through, and it is a really hot day today. I'm actually wearing sweats right now because I'm at home. So like, yeah, but we did go out, we came back, and it honestly, it still looks really good. Like I really like this for an everyday makeup look because it looks like not too much. Does that make sense? It's not super cakey, super gross. It looks fresh. I really like the way this looks. So I'll update you guys in about another 4 hours or so. So about at 8 o'clock we'll do that. So that way I can maybe start editing this and get this uploaded tomorrow. So it is currently 8:05 p.m. I've been wearing this for a full 6 hours, and so far the final check-in, this is what my face looks like for the day. I did go out to a few things. We went to Ulta and oh my god, the dollar store, and also Taco Bell / Long John Silver's. But this it's a full 6 hours of wear, and honestly this looks great. Like I haven't had to touch up at all, and I still don't need to, but my face looks fresh. Like it looks really nice, not dewy. I don't know how to explain it. Not dewy, but like not greasy. And I have oily skin, so that's just saying. Now I do need to try these out on like work days to see if I use it the way I did today on a work day, if by the end of the day I'm really greasy, because when I work that's a different story. But if it's a day-to-day thing, especially because like I work as a server, so like if you're working in the restaurant industry, it's kind of different. I need to figure out a routine that helps with that, because either way you get sweaty and gross and whatnot, and yeah, it's bad. On a normal day, like say if I was working at a job where it wasn't in the restaurant business, this is probably what it would look like by the end of the day. Honestly, like this looks great. My face looks radiant but not oily. Does that make sense? Like it just looks nice. Like today I was like, man, like my makeup looks pretty. Like I feel like this is like the pretty look that I've always looked for. You know, like from the pretty girls in high school, I guess you'd say, that they kind of just do like an effortless look, and it's always like, man, like I always have to try extra hard to look like that. I can never look like that, but I feel like today it gives me that. Like it's a neutral, not natural because there's makeup on, but it gives me like this really nice like look. I don't know how else to say it other than I feel pretty. So overall thoughts, would I recommend this concealer? I definitely, most definitely would. If you haven't picked it up, pick it up already. I'll leave a link down below so you can order it online. And I would just say for $6, dude, honestly, compared to the Shape Tape, I'm just saying my under eyes look great. There's no creasing, they look smooth, everything looks really good. This is bomb.com. Like honestly, this is gold. This is amazing. I'm excited. I'm super excited. This is a really good concealer. Like drugstore concealers are stepping up their game. With that being said, go buy it. It's worth your $6. And yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also comment down below on what you would like to see next, because I have a lot of time to do videos now. And also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family so you can be notified when a new video goes out. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.